million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some synthetic drip. As we continue with this red and blonde series, y'all, we have had so many red and blonde wigs and we are nowhere near done. We still have Nisha. What else is that over there? Emery, Fabian, Dashley, Lace 22, Butter Lace 20. There's so many, okay? As we continue with this red and blonde series that I have really enjoyed because we found some definitely oldies that were bombs, some wigs that we probably wouldn't have reached for, and some of the newer units. This one is one of the newer units. This wig is by Outre. It is in the style Kayleen, Kayleen. Kayleen is 22 inches long, and I have her in the color, because of this blonde and red series, 3D R6 / vanilla ombre. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees, blate. And she comes in tons of colors. She comes in a cherry ombre that I almost got, but I said I was good, so I'm through the vanilla. She came with lace I cut off. That's all I've done, because y'all know I like to do everything with y'all. That I cannot lie, this 3D R6 vanilla ombre is very pretty. This reverse ombre only works for me if I have dark roots. So I love the fact that Outre went ahead and put that dark rooting on there. Comb in the back, adjustable straps, and in the front, you get ear-to-ear lace, a comb to the right, comb to the left. And she comes with baby house. All right, I'm gonna plop her on my head, play around with her, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Oh, she dark rooted throughout too. Okay. Is she? Yep. Yeah. She dark rooted throughout. Okay. Cute. All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on Emery. Emery is a beautiful wig. This color really isn't for me. Like, I really would like this in a black. I am getting some tangling right here at the ends, and that's even after I brush it, she still tangles a little bit, but then you can get your finger straight through it. But that's to be expected with this pattern on this hair. The wig itself is really pretty. And it says, I forgot to mention, it's part of Outre's Color Bomb collection, which we've had some winners in that. What was their wig? Charleston? I think it's Charleston. Yeah, and it was really pretty. Like I said, the blend on this is really pretty. I just don't like these warm blondes. If this were an ash blonde, I would have eaten this wig all the way up. I would have been in love. It's pretty. Do I recommend it? Yes. Do I think it's one that you need to drop everything you're doing right now and go order? But it is pretty. Just know that this ain't gonna be no wig that you gonna get like 3, 4, 5 wells out of. So, okay, because like I said, it's gonna tangle just a little bit, and it's right there at the ends, and it's just on this little one piece. So I'm pretty sure with some wig conditioning spray, you could knock that out. But gorgeous wig. Is it one of my favorites in this red blonde collection? No. And I really can't believe that I'm saying that, because this is an Outre wig, but y'all know I'm gonna keep it funky with y'all. I'm gonna put this on Poshmark for a discounted price because it is pretty, and somebody will make this a very lovely home. I'm excited about the next one because the next one is Nisha 210. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Kayleen. I said this wig was called Emery. Y'all, this wig is called Kayleen. Maybe it's your cousin Kayleen. Maybe it's your Uncle Kevin. Whichever one. Send them my way. We'll get them right. They could get this one. It's just not going. It ain't gonna last them. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.